I'd like to take you on a tour of John's wine closet. What you're looking at here is the finished product from the sitting room. I want to start out with the drawings. What you're looking at is the overhead plan view. It holds a total of about 446 bottles in this small closet. When we first began this project, John's front entrance to his home is right about here. You walk into the hallway, and this was a closet that had a door right here. You would walk around the hallway into a sitting room over here. This was a solid wall. So what we did is we removed the door here, made it a wall, and added a door on this side. You'll notice that each elevation is designated by a letter: elevation A, elevation B, elevation C, and elevation D. We're going to walk through each one. Elevation A has solid bins below with a high reveal display row and a light valance above. 750 bottles above that, individual storage. Each elevation is 13.5 inches deep with a 1.5 inch toe kick at the bottom. Elevation B has a solid X cube on the bottom, again the high reveal display row, and horizontal racking, solid horizontal racking above. These bottles that can be 3 deep with the sides showing so that the labels show. Above that is a grill cover and box that hides the fan coil used for the split system to cool the wine room. We used a RM 2600 split system with the compressor sitting outdoors. Elevation C, again, has bins at the bottom, the high reveal display row, and 750s up above. And elevation D is a magnum row. Now, this is the only row that is 16 3/4 inches deep, and you'll see that on the next drawing here in the 3D. In order to make this fit and meet, we made this row a little bit deeper, and that's good for magnum bottles anyway because they are a little bit larger. Here is where the grill cover and box sits, and you can see each of the racks going around. We have a front view in 3D. We have a little bit of a side view, and this is looking out through the door and in through the door. Now I want to take you on some before and after pictures. Again, this is the wine room before or after. Here we have the door in the hallway before, and this is what it looked like after we got rid of the door and made the wall look just like the rest of the wall in the room. Here is the closet before, and another photo of the closet before. Here is the sitting room before, and this splotch on the wall is where they were testing some paint colors. Here is the sitting room after. Quite a difference. Here's looking in into the door. You'll see your solid bins on the bottom, your display row, your horizontal racking. We're going to go from the left side, the upper left side with your individual 750 bottles, to the lower left side and your bins. The upper center with the horizontal racks, to the lower center and your X cube and display row. Here we have the upper right side with your 750 bottles and your magnum row on the right, and the lower left side again with the magnum row on the right. We're looking here a straight up shot at the grill cover and box up above the horizontal display row. This is the compressor that sits outside on a cement slab. And here again is the view from the sitting room. You'll notice this is a Barolo door. We had it painted on site to match the rest of the room. The edges of the chair rail here, when we finished them, we finished the edges to match the edges from the other doorway. Hope you have enjoyed the tour of John's wine closet. This was all designed and installed by Wine Cellar specialists.